I thought of quitting YouTube, and you might think, oh, this is crazy, right? Here's the thing that I want to talk about today. Because one of the things is, I never thought in a million years I would make short form content like this and they will be a great success. I'm not saying a huge success because they're not like crazy videos, but you know, we are doing in a great way and you love it, and I am so happy that you guys love it. And I thought, you know, it's gonna something I'm just gonna try it out from the iPhone 15 video, and I thought, like, you know what, I'm gonna give a shot and see where this goes. And guess what? You loved it. And since we have a growth on Instagram and also growth on TikTok, which is absolutely amazing, and I thank you for that. And here we are, I'm talking about this and trying to make a sense, because short forms contents are going great and I'm doing better on them, and I'm trying my editing skills, new techniques, and I love the things way goes. But there is some doubt on myself that I think, you know, there is a better way to make YouTube videos as well, and not just burn out and stop doing this and just focus on short form contents. Here's the hard part of doing a channel in English. Is one of the most hard things in Sri Lanka. In a demographic like this, it is really hard to make a English channel and get more views or get more subscribers. If you take a channel who speaks English, and in that subject there are hundreds and different channels on that subject, so I need to be one of the top tier performing channels to make a name of myself. So right now I absolutely have nothing. I'm not complaining. Now I need to find a way to do creative things, but I'm not doing it, and that's my fault. I need to find ways, yes, but it is hard also. This is a small, really small channel. Yes, it's matured. I am matured with the time when I started this, and it's a long way. 5 years is something long. You can bring channels up, and I have seen channels goes and ups and downs, and I'm still here. I'm trying my best to do these things and ups and downs. I need to find a way to break this barrier where I'm stuck at, because one of the things I know is I lack of consistency on YouTube videos, and yes, it is my fault. Definitely, I don't have anyone to blame. And also, I'm not trying to like quit YouTube, but I feel like I'm putting less effort on this, and that's why I feel like that. I don't know, man. It's really hard. I'm not here to complain, all right, anything like that. I just here to, you know, get some views and subscribers. No, I'm just kidding. I just have to tell you guys these things because, you know, you're my viewers, you're my subscribers. You might think, yeah, there are no videos for a month, and what the hell are you doing? Yes, I'm sorry. Right now, I do not have any products to review, to videos about. I can just talk about things, which is like this. We can have a conversation about tech, and I can tell you things. And that's the thing, same thing that I'm doing in short form videos, because it's more easy, convenient. You guys understand it. You don't waste a lot of time watching a huge YouTube video that doesn't make sense. Like, if you can say it in 1 minute, the whole thing, why waste so much time of you? So I thought of, you know, that is the best way to convey the message without ranting about the same thing over and over again for 8 minutes or something like that. So that's the conclusion. So here we are in a situation that I myself are having trouble figuring out, should I just quit this and just, you know, put short form contents, or should I make different type of YouTube videos? That's the thing. Nothing ever felt like this, because this is something in my core which has never gone away, and I love tech because every day it's something new, it's amazing, it's growing every day. Most of the AI shit it's happening, so I think I should bring something to you guys. And also this year, 1,000 subscriber goal, I am not sure we're gonna hit this, but I have hope on you will be able to make that thing happen. So yeah, fingers crossed. Let's see if I can make the 1,000 after 5 fucking years of doing YouTube. I'll try to make more videos on YouTube here as well, because I know deep down I will, in another 5 years, let's take another 5 years, someday and somehow I will be one of the greatest YouTubers that you knew, hopefully. Let's see. So yeah, that's been it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.